So here at ND Paper in Rumford, Maine, we're currently working on implementing our Aries aeration system, which compared to the existing force bubble aeration system they have is going to be a more efficient system. It's going to give them more operational flexibility. It's going to give them ease of maintenance, ease of use, and also provide huge energy savings compared to other technologies, albeit coarse bubble or surface aerators or some type of other technology that is not a fine bubble aerator. Fine bubble typically in an earth dug and basin application or in a lagoon is going to be more difficult from the standpoint of not providing enough mixing energy as you might need in an activated sludge process or in a high loading environment such as pulp and paper. Having the coarse bubble static tube in the center gives us more of a rolling pattern, more mixing capabilities for lower energy consumption that we can see at deeper depths that you typically see in the effluent lagoons from a pulp and paper industry. So not only are we getting good oxygen transfer efficiency, but we're also getting great mixing with the coarse bubble aspirators and the center static tube of the Aries aerator.
This paper mill here is one of the main industries in this town, if not the main industry. And so our ability to help the paper mill to meet their environmental compliance requirements isn't just about us wanting to sell a project. This is about us ultimately supporting the communities that these industries are in by supporting the industry and helping them get the job done in the most cost-effective and in the right way. So it's easy to miss the greater impact of what we do as a company and to focus very specifically on the projects, which we do. But if we take a step back, we start to see these very, very important ripple effects that we create by supporting ND Paper in this project and getting it done right for them. We're supporting the industry and we're supporting the economic backbone of the city of Rumford and ultimately Maine, the state of Maine. So it's not lost on me as one of the founders of the company how important it is what we do for the environment, but also for the people in the communities that we work with. And so it's frankly it's an honor to have the opportunity to be entrusted with this kind of work.
The success of this company has come from the caliber of people that is directly within the company and then the contractors that we're working with.
Right now we're here in Rumford, Maine. We're working on a project at ND Paper. We are revamping their aeration system. It's about 40 years old. We are tearing out their old system and installing our new one. It's been a little bit of a challenge because we initially were going to do it dry. Now we're transitioning to doing it wet. We have about 875 units that we're going to be installing. So with the amphibious installation, it's something that we do all the time. With our system, it's actually unique in the sense that we can put it in off of boats. It allows us to get into ponds in situations where we don't have to drain it, and they can keep their system up and going and online. And here at Rumford, we actually need to do a split installation where we're going to do one pond at a time, so keep the other one active, keep the treatment going. And we will be using barges and pontoon boats to drop in our aerators off of floating laterals. When we do amphibious installation, it allows us to just kind of bypass that whole process that can take months. As far as removal, even when you do remove the sludge, it can still linger and be an issue and problem when you're fighting through it the entire time. Installing amphibiously allows us to just drop those units in and then allows our units to start working right away. It's a little bit more time consuming in the sense it takes a little longer with a smaller crew working off the boats than it is with 40, 50 guys down in the basin doing it all at once. But that only works for best in new installations when there's a dry pond on a liner. One thing I love about Triplepoint is just a team. Working with these guys, being able to get the job done. It's a hectic environment out here, a lot of pressure from the mill, safety stuff. But just having a team that can support you and just transition through all these pivots, because there's only one thing I can guarantee is that your plan will change with these installations. So being able to pivot and being able to have a team that has your back and plan and keep the thing going is vital. And that's one thing I love about working with this group of people and with this company is just that teamwork. We're all in this together, and we want to do the best job for our customers, and that's why I love working here.
starting a company is about, looking for something you can do that can help people, the environment, and the customers that you're working for. And what we do here is we help industries and municipalities to meet their environmental compliance requirements and ultimately put out clean water into our rivers and streams. The opportunity here at Rumford was a great opportunity that presented itself to us, and an opportunity for us to not only provide the equipment but also provide the complete installation of the equipment. This works out well for us because we get to own the entire system, and we get the opportunity to do it the way we know it needs to be done. And it's great for the customer, and it allows them to delegate this responsibility to us to get the job done right.